Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening My Maps. Once there, create a new map and immediately name it so versioning stays clear. Add a base map style, satellite or terrain, because visual context matters. Then place your first marker at the primary location. This anchors the dataset. While adding the marker, enter a clear label and short notes so later imports align. Once done, save changes and prepare your source data for import or manual additions. Next, import or build your map's content. If you have CSV, KML, or GeoJSON, upload it and map the latitude/longitude fields. This speeds work. Use separate layers for categories, clients, stops, hotspots, so you can toggle visibility. Style each layer using colors, icons, or scaled markers to communicate priority or type. Draw lines and polygons for routes and areas, measure distances when relevant, and edit attributes directly. These steps finish by configuring access and output. Set sharing to the correct level, private, limited link, or public, and grant edit or view permissions as required. Export your finished map as KML or KMZ for backups, or copy the embed iframe to place it on a site. Before closing, validate mobile behavior and layer visibility. If something breaks, check CSV encoding and lat/long formatting first. Mismatched headers or stray characters are the usual culprit, and correcting them typically restores imports quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.